Good morning, children. Children, after completing chapter 7, Algebra, today students we will start chapter 9, that is Basic Geometrical Ideas. Students, in this chapter we will study about the geometry. In geometry, as you know, you have studied this, you are the familiar with the geometry part. In geometry, students, we will study about points, line segment, ray, different types of lines. Okay, students? And after completing this introduction part, students, you will be able to complete exercise 9.1. So, students, today only we will do introduction part. So, here students, we will study 7 points. And point number 1, student, first is point. Point, students, this is very easy. You are familiar with the point. We represent point by dot. Here, this is a point A, point B. Student, point has no dimension, means it is not having length, breadth and height. Now, students, second point is difference between line segment and ray. You can see, students, here one table I have made for the line segment, line and ray. Student, point number 1 is I have shown here line segment and ray. How you will make them? In line segment, students, AB, this is the line segment. You can see here two endpoints are given. Two endpoints are given. First endpoint is A, second endpoint is B. Endpoint means, students, we cannot increase line segment or we cannot extend line segment in both direction. It means it is having fixed length and we can make this line segment on a plane or paper. Line, students, both side you can see arrow is given. Arrow means this side it will go, this side, right hand side and left hand side, both side it will go. It means line is not having fixed length. We can extend line in both direction. It cannot be, we cannot make it on a plane. Completely we cannot draw on a plane. Now ray, students, you can see ray, S and T. S is end point and T is the arrow. It means S point is fixed but T point we can produce. It means ray also not having fixed length. In line, students, there is no end point and in ray one end point is given. Ray also we cannot draw on a plane. You can see, students, all the points, all the 5 different points I have written here. In first point, I have shown you the figure of line segment, line and ray. In second point, about the length. Length of line segment is finite, means fixed. Length of line is not fixed, it means infinite. Length of ray is also infinite. Third point, about endpoints. There are 2 endpoints, there are no endpoints and there is one endpoint only. Fourth number, it cannot be extended or produced or increased. It can be extended in both the direction. It can be extended only in one direction. Okay. 5 last point, diagram can be drawn or shown completely on plane. Because it is having fixed length, so on plane completely we can draw. Line we cannot draw completely on the plane and ray also we are not able to drawn completely on plane. So this was the difference, students. Now third point. Point number third, students, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means, students, lines which intersect each other. Intersect means they will meet at a point. When two lines meet at a point, They are known as intersecting lines. Students, two figure I have drawn here. Here line L and line M is given and they are intersecting at a common point, that is P. Next one, line A and line B is given. Both are intersecting at a common point Q. So both the pairs are intersecting line L and M, A and B. Now in fourth one, students, non-intersecting lines. Non-intersecting lines, students, when lines may never intersect. If we will produce them, even we produce them in any of the direction, they will never meet. They will never intersect. These are known as the parallel line, and the distance between parallel lines remains same. Here you can see these difference remain same. Here also difference will be remain same. P line and Q line both are not meeting. If you will produce, students, like here I am producing, it will not meet. It will never meet even. There also it will never meet. Line L and line S. Line S and line T. Both if you will produce here like this, they both will never meet. So lines may never intersect or may never meet each other, known as intersecting lines. Point number 5, lines through one given point. Students, if only one point is given, then how many lines you can draw? You can draw, students, infinite lines. Infinite means uncountable lines you can draw. Like here, students, this one point is given. Now I am drawing line. This is the one line. This is another line. You can see they are passing through this given point. So like this, students, many lines you can see here I have drawn, and more lines you can draw. So number of lines means infinite lines. We cannot count them. Infinite lines we can draw through the given point. And students, this point I am giving the name A. Through this given point A, we can draw infinite number of lines. Okay, so point 5 was lines through one given point. Now point second, I am taking lines through two given points. When 2 points are given, then how many lines we can draw? Students, in point 5, we discussed lines through one given point. So students, lines through one given point are known as concurrent lines also. That I forgot to tell you. Concurrent lines they are called concurrent lines. Okay. Now in second point, lines through two given points, and here you can see 2 points are given, point A, point B. 2 points are given. Now how many lines we can draw, students? By including these 2 points, only one line. Only one line, students, I can draw. If I will draw rest line, suppose this one line I can draw line AB. Suppose more lines I am drawing, suppose like this, it will not go through point B. Like this line, this will also not go. Here, if I am drawing like this line, like this, they will not pass through point A. So students, when 2 points are given, only one line we can draw by including both the point. Okay, in this line, there is no role of the B point. So only one line we can draw. Students, in 7th point, we will discuss collinear and non-collinear points. Collinear means, students, points that lies on same line, and non-collinear points means, students, that are not on same line. So here one line I have drawn and so many points are given, point A, point B, C, D, X, Y and P. So here students, how many points are there? They are collinear. So those who are on same line, here point A, point B, point C and point X. Point A, B, C, X. They are collinear points. They are collinear points because they are on same line. But students, point A, B, X, Y, P means all you can include. They are not collinear points because they are not on same line. A is on the line, X is on the line, but D, Y, P, they are not on same line. It means students, they are non-collinear points. Students, 7 number point, lines through 3 given points. First of all, students, in 7 number point, we discuss collinear and non-collinear points because we will take the help of these two points in point number 7. That's why I explained them first. Now, lines through 3 given point. So, suppose students, case 1 is when 3 points are collinear. And point second is when 3 points are non-collinear. So when students points are collinear means they will lie on same line. Then how many lines you can draw? Only one single line we can draw through the collinear points. When points are collinear, lines through 3 given points. Here 3 points are given but they are collinear, so only one line we can draw. But students, suppose points are not collinear, means they are non-collinear. In that case, suppose one point is given here, one is given here, one is given here. In that case, how many lines we can draw? Suppose this is point X, point Y, point Z. So one line like this we can draw, one line this we can draw, and another line we can draw like this. Okay, so how many lines you can draw? 3 lines. One line is XY, second line is YZ, and third line is XZ. 3 lines you can draw, but in these 3 lines only two points we are including, not all the points. But here PQR, the name of the line is PQR. All 3 points we are including. So students, in our today's class, we have discussed introduction part of chapter 9 for exercise 9.1. Students, in our next class, we will start exercise 9.1. Okay students, so please read these all the points, okay, and practice them. Okay students, have a nice day all and thank you.